Edition Marching Review.
University of St. Anthony, CTP MAPEH DRRM Unit. University of St. Anthony, CTP MAPEH DRRM Unit, Troop Commander and Staff. Christine Sata P. Morgan, Troop Commander. Fabiola Dominic C. Gaston, Troop S1. Maria Giselle Joy S. Agatik, Troop S2. Ace Gabriel P. Belmonte, Troop S3. Leo Franz T. Valieza, Troop S4. Red Anfernia B. Virginia, Troop S5. Bettina Samantha Francia, Major S. Leader. Humor C. P. Mark Leader. Mayor Justin P. Lomleal, Honor Guards Leader. Sean Marks Rafael S. Visenya, CTP Alpha Company Commander. Calvin O. Maestrado, CTP Alpha Company Expo. Ana Patrice M. Celebrado, CTP Bravo Company Commander. Akira Mix I. Aguila, CTP Bravo Company Expo. Zero Gabriel Aino, MAPEH Company Commander. Kervin I. Blanco, MAPEH Company Expo. Ariel Roy A. Garay, CTP DRRM Boys First, the full leader. Carl Ivan O. Daza, CTP DRRM Boys Second, the full leader. Justin C. Sapolarza, CTP DRRM Girls First, the full leader. Hannah Alicia Cesar Rivaldo, CTP DRRM Girls Second, the full leader. Kenji C. Macina, MAPEH DRRM Boys First, the full leader. Audrey Maicalino, MAPEH DRRM Boys Second, the full leader. Mr. Jonathan P. Werno, CTP Facility Court. Mr. Mark Sousa P. Aragon, City Assistant Facility Court. Mr. Ryan J. Roland, MAPEH Department Head. Dr. Francia E. Bupen, Senior High School Principal.
Boy Scouts of the Philippines Outfit Number 72, USANT Chapter. Senior Scout Grade SRL2, Grand Senior Crew Leader. Senior Scout Jose Juice Jr. Arsenal. Grand Senior Outfit Scribe. Senior Scout Giancarlo Iganasi. Grand Senior Outfit Finance. Senior Scout Joshua Hebrew C. Annalise. Grand Senior Executive for Instructions. Senior Scout Angelo Philip B. Islana. Grand Senior Executive for Internal Affairs. Senior Scout Crystal Salda E. Valentino. Grand Senior Executive for External Affairs. Senior Scout Carl Shelwin Aina Rampa. Grand Senior Outfit Quartermaster. Senior Scout Chris Jacob C. Gasky, Alpha Company Commander. Senior Scout Mel Howard P. Dura, Alpha Company Exo. Senior Scout Singer Gabriel R. Arizala, Alpha Platoon Leader. Senior Scout Justin Rain V. Mono, Alpha Platoon Sergeant. Senior Scout Joseph E. Dibuan, Bravo Company Commander. Senior Scout Joaquin Alfonso N. Exano, Bravo Company Exo. Senior Scout Edward Joseph S. Holden, Bravo Platoon Leader. Senior Scout Santos Robert D. Cooper, Bravo Platoon Sergeant. Scouter Roy C. Sabato, 2 Beats Holder, Outfit Coordinator.
Girl Scouts of the Philippines, USANT Chapter. Blackberry, Aiden, Girl Scouts Senior Zena Anjan J. Aramis, Vice Chairman External. Battalion Commander Senior Girl Scout A. Angela I. P. Sherman. Battalion Staff Senior Girl Scout Adana Brian A. Manoya, Vice Chairman Iriga, Senior Girl Scout Crystal Ann Arpinosa, First Speaker, Cadet Girl Scout PIS Bello, Finance Manager, Senior Girl Scout Donnie Gracie Miliran, Public Relations Officer, Senior Girl Scout Joseph Mendoza Elevenal, Deputy Scribe, Alpha Company Commander, Senior Girl Scout Sophia Mora Miliran, Field Coordinator, Alpha Assistant Company Commander, Cadet Girl Scout Chloe Arya Scribe, Alpha Dawn Senior Girl Scout Amiga Luis Adeline Artuzaga, Platoon Leader, Senior Girl Scout Eliza Luis C. Duo, Assistant Platoon Leader, Senior Girl Scout Amira A. E. Lanuzo, Grade 7 Division Instructor, Bravo Commander, Senior Girl Scout Julie R. E. Iriga, Cadet Division Instructor, Bravo Assistant Company Commander, Cadet Girl Scout PK Iriga, Grade 9 Division Instructor, Bravo Bidang Senior Girl Scout Earl Margaret C. Avila, Platoon Leader, Cadet GS Liz Rian D. Malaco, Assistant Platoon Leader, Senior Girl Scout